Hi, this is Rita, and I want to show you today a really fun and simple thing to make. Takes just some charm pack squares, which is 5-inch squares. Sometimes when you use a charm pack, you don't use all the squares. So these are going to be used for making some coasters. And there's 2 different ways that you can make this coasters, and I'm going to show you each way. It's super simple. There's no cutting involved, literally just sewing. So I have picked out some different fabrics. So this is left over from a charm pack I had, and you'll need 5 squares. So these are all different. So what I'm going to do here with these ones, I'm going to take 4 of them. I'm going to fold them in half this way and just give them a quick press with just 4 of them. So there's one, a blue one, and a pink one. We'll do a yellow one. Oh, I think this is the right way. Make sure you get the right side. I think these ones doesn't really matter, but there you go. And then finally the green one. Whoops. And this way. So now you've got 4 of them that are folded in half into a rectangle. And what you want to do is, let's see, on top of the one that you haven't folded, find the right side. And again, I don't think there really is a right side and a wrong side with these ones. And you're just going to place them right on top. And you're going to place it with the fold always going into the middle. So always have the fold going into the middle. And you're going to like weave it. So let's see, do like that, so the yellow there, and then we'll have the pink on top. And you'll notice that the fold lines are all in the middle there. And then this one here, and we're just going to slide that one under here so we can weave it in place. Did I do that right? Hold on. No, we do it this way. Sorry, I'm getting all mixed up. We have it this way like this, and then under the green one. There we go. A little challenge there for a moment. And then all you're going to do is you're going to sew around here and you're going to turn it inside out. And I'll show you that in a minute. Before I sew this one, I want to show you the other way to do it. So this one here, what I did is I have 2 pink ones left over, and then I have 2 yellow ones. So I'm going to do this one a little differently. So instead of folding it in half to make a rectangle, I am going to fold it into a triangle. And it's going to be the same idea, the same method, but with one with triangles and one with squares. And then you'll see the different ways they turn out. And this is just kind of a fun little thing to do when you have leftover scraps, because we all have leftover scraps sometimes and don't really know what to make with them. And it used to be cute to throw in a little, whoops, I got all confused there. Hold on. I need to throw this make this into a triangle. I was yakking away at you too much. Okay, triangle. Here we go. There we go. And then this one, a triangle as well. And this is a good one for beginners, like kids wanting to learn how to sew. So yeah. Here you go. Okay, so now we're going to put it here again. So I'll move this over here so you can see better. So we're going to put the fold towards the middle and the outside edges like that. And since I want to have it pink on each, like facing each other, how did I do that now? It was this way. And then this way, but we have to go under here like this. Sometimes it takes a little bit. And then you kind of see how that forms, right? So now we just take this to the machine. Now I have a couple pins here. I'm not a big pinner, but for this, I'm going to pin. Let's see here. And then let's just get that one down there like that. Okay, so now and you're not even going to leave an opening. You're literally going to stitch all the way around. all edges. So let's do that, and I will show you. It's kind of magic what happens. Take that pin out. And that pin out. And this pin out. So as you can see, it's not going to perfectly match up because I didn't put those two quite together, but you'll get the idea. And then I'm just going to pin this one. Before I show you them, I'm going to just pin this other one here. And then we'll turn them both out together at the same time. Literally, this is so fun and easy to make. Perfect for kids learning to sew. You know, they see you sewing at the sewing machine and they're like, I want to do something. And so this is something without them having to really get too detailed into it. And they feel proud because they actually used your sewing machine. So yeah, these are great. You can make them like for Christmas. You can make them like, these are like summer colors. So yeah, you can make them in whatever you want. And again, I'm just using a quarter inch seam allowance. Just match that up there. And then one more here. Okay, so we've sewn them now all around, and I'm just going to trim the corners because, again, you got to poke out the corners, so we got to just trim those off. So I'm just giving them a quick trim here with my scissors. You don't want to cut into the thread there, so be careful that you don't do that when you trim your corners. You just want to cut right to the edge of your thread there. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So you just you find the middle right here and you turn it inside out like that. And then you get your little, I usually just get something pointy. So these are my bent tweezers, and just poke out the corners like that. And then then it looks like that. And the edges are all finished. Same with this one. Now you're going to pull out in the middle here as well and just turn it inside out, just like that. Poke out the corners here. Put that down here. And, these are cute because you can, whoops, fell on the floor. Because you can put your drink glasses inside. So when you have your wine glasses and you have the stem and then, the flat bottom part, you can actually tuck it inside here. So if you do happen to spill, it's going to spill on here and not on the table. So it's kind of a handy dandy thing that way too. Plus, they could also mark your drink. So if you make them all different, how people get those little charms and they put them around the stem of the glass. Well, you could make different ones of these and they could be the same thing. So then you just give it a little press, just to press the edges flat, the seams. And there you go. These are your little drink coasters. Literally 5 minutes it took you. 5 minutes. So easy. 5 charm packs. 5 minutes. Doesn't get easier than that. So there you have it. And Feel free to like and comment on this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any other ideas, let me know. And be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the like button below and the little bell to let you be notified when we have more videos coming out. And happy sewing. Have a great day.